Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of natural gas has moved and how the price of natural gas can move on Monday. Okay, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, there is a pattern forming in natural gas. Okay, and this is being repeated for quite some time in most of the videos, that whenever it is hitting its previous high, suppose this is a previous high, when it's make a new high, it makes a sharp fall, and this is being repeated for quite some time. Okay, and a swing is formed. Okay, this particular swing form, that is where it goes high and then a further down will we have seen. Okay, now this is the zone where the price of natural gas is moving for quite some time. Okay, and once this zone breaks further down, then a probability that it can go further low, because it is moving in a zone of $2 and a zone of $3 since long. Okay, and one important thing also you have to note, that it is in the zone of 4.1 and 4.35. there is a gap pending. So if the price comes close to $4.1, chances of touching a level of 4.35 is there, and then further this gap can be filled if the price sustain this particular level. Okay, so before we move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can go, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link I have given in the description, you can join that too. See, look at this particular chart. Okay, suppose if the price sustain this particular level, okay, this is for Monday I am telling you, because there is already being a U pattern is forming. If you have seen, I have already told you that if the price sustain this particular level, a level of $2.26, chances are very high it can sustain that level. This is the first thing. Second thing, that once it sustain above a level of $2.56, it can cross that particular zone, and chances of touching $2.8 is there, because it has already formed a U pattern. Okay, and now it is trying to create that cup pattern. Suppose if the price sustain, it can cross that particular zone, and chances of going towards a level of 2.647 is there. Okay, and if the price move above that particular level, it can cross that particular zone, and it can touch a level of around $2.696. Okay, and if the price move above that particular level, it can cross that particular zone, and chances of touching a level of 2.715 is there. And if that level sustain, then we can see it can cross that particular zone and can go further upside towards a level of $2.785. Okay, this level $2.785 is already being a weak resistance, so chances are high it can cross that particular zone and can touch a level of 2.805. Okay, this is the level. So once started crossing above 2.805, because this level we have not seen since first week of March. Okay, so once started sustaining that level, it can cross a level of $2.898 to a level of $3.038. Okay, $3.083 is the high of this particular zone. So once started sustaining this level, it can cross that particular zone, and chances of going towards a level of $3.38 we can see. And if the price move up that level, then we can see it can go further higher. Okay, now why I am telling you all these supports and resistance. So suppose if this is the support, so once the price sustain this level, chances are very high it can cross and go towards its next resistance. But if this level didn't sustain, a bounce back can come from that particular zone. Suppose if the price didn't sustain, because market is always uncertain, you have to follow your SL as well as keep trailing your SL, so that your profit can be saved. Okay, as well as your capital. Suppose if the price didn't sustain, we can see it can go further down and can go towards a level of $2.590. Okay, and if the price fall below that particular level, it can go further low, and a probability of going towards its level of around $2.581, and from there we can see it can touch a level of around $2.498. Okay, and if the price fall below that particular level, chances of going further low will be there, and then we can see it can go towards a level of $2.340. and if that level move further down, then yes, a probability of going towards 2.265 is there. Okay, now once the price fall below $2.265, chances are very high it can go further low, and chances are high that we can see a level of $2.201. Okay, and if the price fall below that particular level, then we can see it can go towards a level of $2.146. that is already being a weak support. So chances are high it can cross that particular level, and it can come towards a level of $2.069, and from there we can see it will come in this particular zone. So you have to keep it in mind, once started falling below $2, chances are very high it can go towards a level of $1.986, and from there we can see a level of $1.820. okay, and then further low towards a level of 1.644, and once the price fall below $2, I'll make another video explaining you where it can go. okay, so if you have any doubt, you can mail me regarding that, and I do workshop also where I teach the trading psychology as well as how you can trade. okay, if you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timings. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe.